This is Biotronix PEMT loop therapy device, pulse electromagnetic field therapy device, PEMF, pulse electromagnetic. Why loop therapy? Because you can see the attachment. This is in the loop form. So this is the loop form attachment. You can see, and you can see the joint I will put inside the same. I will get the magnetic field over the same. So I can put the same on the cervical, I can put the same on my shoulder, knee, and all other joints. So in between the area the joint will be there, that the joint will get the magnetic field. So this is the single loop, you can see, quite heavy in duty, and this is the dual loop. You can see this is the dual loop. You can see this is the dual loop, one or two in one attachment for other joint like knee and other. So we have single loop as well as dual loop. And you can see this is the carry box for the attachment for single loop and dual loop. So you can see this is the device. You can see everything is written over here, the all section and all. You can see the same also. You can see, and this is a device which can be put in the, like you can see in the briefcase form. You can see I can make the same as a briefcase form. I can hold the same with that handle, with side handle also, or to slide the same, there are wheels at the back side and this is the handle to carry. I can use the side of the handle. So you can see. And this is the, now I am showing you the demo of the device. The same is the latest technology, PEMF, in the field of physiotherapy and rehabilitation. And Biotronix Care International LLP is importing the same. You can reach us on WhatsApp or on our website also. So you can see PEMT loop therapy device, deep oscillation magnetotherapy. So now I will show you by operating the same and show you the demo of the same. Before putting that cable inside the same and starting it on, first I have to take care of the thing that I have to take the loop first, the end of the loop, and insert it first. I have not plugging the same, the plug-in is in my hand, and now I will insert the same like this, apply pressure. There is a point over here, you just need to match the point and apply pressure. So the same has been inserted and you will get the sound of tick. Now I will insert the main cord. I have already inserted the same in the back side. You can see. And now I will start the device and give you the demo. You don't need to put the same first and then start the same and then you are putting the loop plug-in in the same. You may get electric shock. First you have to put the loop inside the same, then you have to put the cable and then you first lock the same, then you start the device and by putting the cable in. And these are the main section. You can see intensity 1 to 5. 1 is quite enough for all the joint 1 and 2. But if the joint is bigger, the patient has a more fatty area over there, the doctor can choose according to 3, 4 or 5. 5 is quite enough intensity. I will show you how. Timer is 5 to 10. You can see 5 minutes you can set or recommended 10 minutes. Frequency 2 Hz, 4 Hz, 6 Hz, 8 Hz and multiple Hz. This is pulse electromagnetic field. So pulse electromagnetic frequency you can vary between 2, 4, 6, 8 and multiple frequency. Multiple frequency it will keep on varying between 2 Hz, 4 Hz, 8 Hz and 6 Hz. So this is the introduction of the device. Now I will show you the demo of the device. You can see this is the loop. You can see this is the loop, and now I will start the same and give you the demo. First I will put the same on my joint, shoulder joint, and start the same. Press the start button. You can see I am getting the magnetic field on my shoulder, and my shoulder is rotating. The intensity is just 1 and the frequency is 2 hertz. So now I will taking it out and I will show you, because you can hear the sound of the same. I will show you how sound differs when you change the different intensity and frequency. So now I am increasing the intensity to 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see 5 is the maximum intensity and you can hear the sound of the same. That is quite more than the 1 hertz. 1 intensity. This is now I will increase the frequency. This is the 2 hertz frequency. Now I will switch to 4 hertz. You can see 4 hertz. Now I will go for the 6 hertz. You can see the difference in the sound. I am getting 6 hertz pulse electromagnetic field between that joint, between that loop. Now 8 hertz. 8 hertz is the maximum over here, and you can hear the difference. This is the 8 hertz. Now I will switch to the multiple frequency MF, where it will vary between all these frequencies. This is the 2 hertz. Now it will switch to the other frequency, then switch it to the other frequency, then other. Now it will switch to the other frequency in the multiple frequency range. You can see the difference. So this is the demonstration video of the device. This is a single loop. You can put the dual loop also. I am showing you the dual loop also. So I will just switch off the device. I will switch it off. Takes the cable out, main cord out. Hold the same. I will take the loop out while doing this. Don't take this loop out before switching off the device. You may get electric shock. This is the loop 1 I have taken out. Now I will take the loop 2. I will take the loop out, loop 2. This is the loop 2. Inserted the same. Apply force. Now putting the main cord. Switch it on. Start the same. You can hear the sound. Increase the intensity to maximum. And now increase the intensity of frequency. You can see the difference. The joint you want to cover, you have to place the same one electrode at the below and one on the joint. So you will get the magnetic field. Now maximum 8 hertz, you can see. You can see the change. So now 2 hertz, 2 hertz. Frequency 2 hertz I will put, and intensity 1 hertz. Now you place the hand between the same. So you are getting the magnetic field. Patient is getting the magnetic field over here. Feeling the same. You can increase or decrease the intensity accordingly. You can increase intensity. You can increase the frequency. So this was the demo of the device. This is the dual loop where you need to put one loop below the joint and one upper joint. So you will get the magnetic field between the same. And this is the single loop. You need to put the joint inside that loop because that is bigger inside, and that joint inside area will get the magnetic field and pulse electromagnetic field, where you can set the frequency of the pulse and intensity 1 to 5. So timer section you can also. So thank you for watching. This was the complete demo. Hope that is informational. Thank you.